if you're on the pass. Yeah, we could play the whole game because I have the whole game. Yeah, but each chapter is different, so you guys won't experience the same experience. Ah, I see.
Hey.
How was your day?
Great.
Hey,
The
what the?
toaster broke and Rose refused to eat her vegetables.
How did it go at the dentist?
The dentist?
Don't tell me you forgot about the dentist appointment.
No, I didn't forget. I thought you were taking her tomorrow.
No, it was today. I'm working tomorrow.
But it's Saturday.
I know, I've got to work overtime.
What, you have to do that every week?
Oh, Cody, I'm not in the mood for this discussion again.
Hey, Rose needs both of us, okay?
That's not fair. Using her.
I'm not using her. I'm just stating a fact. Why don't we just go ahead and tell her that we're divorcing?
Oh, just like that.
Yeah. Babe, this...
Why did it do that?
Let's not tell her. Let's stay friends instead.
Why does one sound American? It was sound
Stay friends
British.
forever.
It sounds British. Any sense.
And then the kid is.
Unless you're not from the States.
The kid has a British accent.
Maybe they're from
Okay, select character. Okay. Alright.
I'll be the bish.
Ooh. Alright.
Which if I name my name.
Hey, honey, can I just take Elephant a sec? All right. Rose, honey, you know we love you, right?
Yeah?
And sometimes that means that, we have to do stuff that isn't always very fun.
What we're trying to say, darling, is that, well, Mum and Dad, we've decided to go our separate ways.
Okay. Can I go and play in my room?
Yeah, of course, sweetie.
It's a good song for Usher, Let It Burn.
No, papers, you mean.
Oh,
Got
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Gotta be signing papers.
The song I told you to put as your voice.
Oh, put the music. Yo, she's sus, bro. She's gonna do some voodoo shit.
But she's running away.
Dr. Hakim, you have to help me now. They have to stay together.
Dr. Hakim.
Forever.
Look,
It
says here,
right on her.
love
Right on
is
her
work,
face.
see? You have to work on it.
Yeah, Jay, we have to work on it.
I love you.
I love you too.
Dad, I wish you could be friends again.
They're divorcing, still be friends.
Yeah, well, it's hard to stay friends after.
You got a plant on your head. I think it's gonna go.
What?
Plant on your head. She's watering your plant. Your team.
What is this? What is... Oh, help! Hello! Help!
Cody, I'm trying to sleep. Shut up.
May, is that you?
Cody! Why'd you look like a blob of clay?
Why do you look like a wooden doll? why do you always blame me? Huh?
Yes. Why do you always blame him?
Thank you. Oh, oh!
What is that?
I'm Dr. Hakim, worldwide bestseller and an expert on love.
Is he supposed to be Mexican?
Your mother purchased me. She was lucky. I
It's
was
weird.
the last
Sounds
one
Mexican, but he
because
has
I was
an
selling the
off
best.
last name. He has a Korean name.
Now I will
Hakim?
help you to
Hakim
Yeah,
doesn't.
Hakim is
Oh,
Korean.
Kim. Kim is Korean, but not Hakim.
A nightmare. I need to wake up.
No! No! Oh, oh, May! May! Oh, oh, you're back!
Oh
You-
my god. You can't wake up here.
Exactly.
Huh, okay, Mr. Book. So, how do you wake up?
Top
Cody,
left or
May.
right?
You're here to fix
Oh, okay.
your relationship.
We just fixed it.
Yeah, we're, divorcing. It's all good.
No! I will help you fix your relationship. Chapter 1. Fix your relationship. Plus, I promise your daughter to fix your marriage. See, love is like a mountain.
Oh,
Like
look,
a river.
May, it's Rose.
Flowers growing in the
Come on. Let's
Because
get to her.
screen is
Oh,
gonna be
wait,
split
the
in two.
par-
Okay.
The parents became the dolls?
the mountains, like love.
Is that what happened?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the parents became dolls pretty much. Thanks, Johnny. Oh shit, we're starting right away.
Aw, really? Why is it split screen?
The stairs over there.
It's like that.
We can't reach them.
It's like old school.
Well, let's find a way.
But you're not beside me. You don't have split screen when you're beside me.
Dash. Oh no, that's.
Any sense. Okay.
Oh, I could double jump.
I can double jump too. Haha.
Oh, it's moving. Oh. Okay, we have to solve this. Oh, there's a. Okay, so we gotta. Whoa! Wow. Every object has its own physics. Oh, here, bro. Here. I can't ping it. I can't ping.
Okay, so how do you? Okay, why? Why is?
Yeah, I got it. You gotta go to the other side.
Help me out here.
Oh.
Oh my god, you're taking too long.
It's true, bro.
Oh,
Nice triangle.
May, they're alive. What is going on here?
I have no clue. Whatever's going on, we can't
You
lower
guys
that
have your color
staircase
recording.
without
Oh,
those
okay, yeah, that's
fuses.
right. So green is me.
Fuses? They just
You
ran away.
green-minded.
Did you see them on their little fuse legs?
Worry about that later. Let's just bring them back.
Okay, bring them back. Okay. I'm guessing
Okay.
gotta bring these crews, right?
May,
Yeah,
May, my
bring them
body
back.
feels weird.
Because you're
The
made
color
of clay.
coordinator?
There you go.
Keep your eyes on the fuses.
Hey,
One more.
don't you feel weird?
Gotcha.
You're made of wood?
Oh,
This is a fun game. It takes two.
Same here.
Oh, nice. Oh, we could like Assassin's Creed. Oh, that one's moving.
Would you please focus?
yeah, it's stuck now.
Let's get those fuses.
Okay, so. Oh, okay.
Bro, det går long, guy.
Yo, ta gueule. Oh, there you go.
Shiznits.
Oh, double jump. Ah!
Oh. Okay, so what was I supposed to do there?
Double jump. Try to like.
Me neither.
Double jump. Yeah, there you go. They
I think
totally.
that's too late.
There, I got it. There you go.
Ah,
Oh my god. Crouch.
Ah,
B.
yeah,
What's
crouch.
B again? Oh yeah, this one.
Cody, watch your head.
I am. Ouch. Back.
damn this man. Hold on, Greg, hold on.
Ah,
I think it might be a
ah.
shortcut. No, there's no shortcut. I thought we could go there.
No.
Oh, I think that's the only way to go. Oh no, wait, never mind.
Oh, it could sprint.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Okay, no.
Where's that little bug? Oh, there's like this little thing here. Nice.
Okay. Oh,
Now what? Oh. Oh, there you go. Ah! No, I'm stuck. No.
Like, just let go. No, no, you're supposed to just go down there. Like, just let go. Right there, you're right there.
Yeah, but I can't. I can't go back. What the fuck? Hold on.
Oh, oopsies. I died.
What the? Wait, A and then jump. Get. I don't get it. Why is it not working?
Oh, wow.
Oh, I think I have to get on the other gear. The struggle is real. Yeah, I know.
Oh, oopsies. I'm just dying.
Oh, my freaking controller died. That's why. That's why.
Oh. Oopsies. Oopsies.
Controller died. There you go. Controller died. Yeah, exactly. That's why it kept going to the right. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming.
I see.
Oh, what the?
Grab that. Yeah, make sure you're grab. Now jump.
Oh,
Good.
got it. Oh, there's a saw here.
Dash.
Oh,
Double jump dash.
you could dash again? Okay, double jump
Dash
and
near.
then dash.
Double dash.
What's X? Oh yeah, this is X.
X is square.
Oh, there you go. Got it. Cool, we're like on a level. No!
Make it late.
Okay, hold on. Dash. Okay, got it.
Stay
This
there.
little-
Stay there. Gotta bring this there.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Hold on. Oh, nice. So that's even better.
Yeah.
Why didn't I think of that?
Like we were like rats.
Where's this dude?
Oh yeah. Okay, there you go. Oh, there's a saw.
I think this powers up the saw.
Yeah,
Oh,
let's check it out.
There you go.
nice.
Oh. I got it. Oh shit. A jump.
Oh, shoot. Ah, got you, bish.
Got it. You need to step your game up. I know.
Did you see my flip? Let's do it again.
We're not here to do flips.
Oh
I-
no, you're right.
I-Titan is carrying me.
We're hunting fuses with legs.
Right, this is the last one. Let's put it
Woo,
in.
woo. Oh yeah, there you go.
Oh, perfect.
Oh,
Let's
so
go.
sick. It's him.
Hakim.
Him. Him.
Ha,
It's your
Kim.
brother. It's your brother, Kim.
What just happened?
Oh, those damn fuses. Oh,
May, there she is.
That's why I chose a girl. 'Cause she's May.
Rose, darling.
You know what I mean?
What?
She's May.
Not you again.
She's May?
Move out of the way, you
Yeah,
stupid
like
book.
May, the
Yeah, get out
Frozen
of the
character
way.
in Overwatch.
You're done?
Oh, that's true.
Talk like you own her. Ask yourself, can you really own the people you love? You just let us through? Come on. I will. But first, there's someone I want you to meet. Cha 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 cha. Ta-da! Oh, what the hell is that?
What the hell?
Why do I recognize your voice?
Me? Oh, what? No, we've never met. Sorry.
Looks a bit like a vacuum cleaner.
Oh yeah. Because it is your vacuum cleaner. Yo, vacuum. ¿Qué pasa? You know who this guy is? Let me tell you. This is Cody. You know, the guy who suck up all kinds of crap in your stomach. Oh, oh that's
Yeah, you suck a lot of shit.
Tennis.
What? I was just sucking up dust. That was it.
Ew, that's nasty.
Yep, that's what happens when you put random when you suck a lot of random stuff.
Yeah, I know, Jay.
Well, I mean,
What else do you suck?
some of it, it's
Hey, he's blaming Cody. You're Cody.
It was your
Oh, that's
fault.
true.
Exactly.
Oh,
Your fault.
Promised him you'd fix me.
Thank you.
Instead, you put me away for life in here.
Yep.
Great.
Wow, we got
Wow.
sucked in.
Yep. Haha. Ha. Him. Haha.
Did you just start? Yeah, we just started. This is our first chapter.
You wanna get back to Rose?
You know your last name's a
Wanna
joke.
talk to your daughter? And you need to climb the vacuum together.
Greg, you know your last name's a joke. You know how? You know why?
Cause you two
What?
must learn
Wait, yo, listen.
collaboration.
That's not our strong point.
Aha!
I'm listening.
You know, collaboration is the key to a successful relationship.
That's right, Jake. Collaboration.
Collaboration. You understand?
I'm listening.
Now, see you later. Hasta la vista. Good luck.
Hasta la vista. Hasta luego.
This would never have happened if you hadn't broken it.
Oh, yeah? Well, this would never have happened if you had fixed it like you promised.
Well, I didn't know we'd end up in a place where our vacuum cleaner's alive.
Well, now we are. Huh? Maybe we're stuck here forever.
Forever? No way. We're getting a divorce.
Yeah, I know we're getting a divorce, but we can't do that unless we get back into our real bodies.
Okay. Let's climb that damn vacuum cleaner.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah,
I
so.
wonder where
Oh.
that annoying bug even came from.
He said Rose bought him.
Well, he doesn't sound like a bug she would.
Now we need to see what iTwist looks like. Yeah, it's true.
Pretentious self-help book you'd buy.
You know, self-help books
Oh,
are
look at this
really
toxic
okay?
wastes.
Forget about the book.
Yeah, oh,
Let's get to Rose.
frick. Okay. Oh no! Woo.
Too bad.
Boom! Hulk smash.
Oh, jump. Go in, jump.
Wait, I just want to see what's up here. Oh, okay, yeah, you die. Okay, got it.
Okay, so
Okay, so it's one direction. Woo! Oh, what the?
hold on. Wait a minute.
Jump! Oh no, I can't jump.
No, I don't think you can jump.
Something with that, right? Something
Oh,
with
I
the.
see. Hold on. Come. There you go.
Get inside.
There you go. Go.
Yeah. Oh, dope.
There you go. Go.
Ooh. Oh, okay.
Go. There you go. Got you. Bro, I did you a favor and now you're gonna die?
No, wait.
Oh my goodness.
I'm like hanging. I'm hanging on. No.
Come on, I
No.
control the snake.
No.
Come on, let's go.
What the frick? Okay, yeah, go. Okay, yeah. Leave it. Okay.
Go.
Woo! Okay, got
There you
it.
go.
Boom. There you go. Okay, now that's blowing up.
Okay.
So now you could actually get there. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay, now this sucks in. There you go.
Oopsies.
Bro!
I forgot to. Oh, please.
No! Oh, there you go. Double jump. Dash.
No, not double jump, but dash.
Yeah, oh no. Okay, yeah, double jump, dash to get out. Okay, got it.
Oh, whoa. Dash is what? Square?
No, circle. Dash is circle. No, oh no, it's not circle. Wait, what's X? X is the. What's the other one?
Square.
Dash is. Oh no, it's square. Yeah, you're right.
There you go.
Yeah, Johnny. The struggle is real. Got it. Alright, got it. Okay, let's go. Whee!
Oh no.
Oh no, we have to do it again. Yeah, I'll try to position. I'll try to get out. I'll try. You try to do the other thing.
No.
Oh no, it's only you.
Hey,
Oh no, I could
jump inside the hose.
I'm inside the
Try
hole.
not to drop me.
jump inside the hose.
Bro, wrong direction. Where were you bringing me?
You want to try aiming?
This
Yeah,
is so
bro.
true. That's so funny. Okay, alright.
I don't know what it's supposed to do. There you go.
This is gonna power this up.
All right. The current has reversed.
Oh, I see. Okay, I see. I'm coming.
So
to
you
Yeah,
have to
hold
go.
that. Yeah, go. Hold it. Bring it up.
Okay, bringing it up.
Oopsies.
Oh.
Exactly, I'm coming, Oh.
There you go. Okay, good.
What is that?
Oh wait, that sucks it in though. For some. Oh shit. Oh.
Go in.
Oh, go in.
Yep.
Oh, okay, there you go. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh shit.
That was kind of fun, actually.
Go inside, go in.
Yeah, got it.
Just keep holding that door.
Oh shit. Oh wait, what the? I'm in.
Okay. There you go. You have to press that button to reverse the thing. The fan, I think. Or remove the, because I can't come through.
Okay, hold on. There's a bunch of stuff here. What's up, Ginger? Okay, so I press a button. Oh no, I have to connect these wires.
You didn't know, bro? Are you an electrical engineer or what?
I'm an electrical engineer, but I didn't know I had to use it in a freaking game. Nani?
Oh, go, yeah, hold it again.
I can't do
Try
anything.
to see, try to use your hands to jerk it a bit.
I can't do anything. Okay, hold on. Maybe something with this. Okay, yeah, I have to stop. I have to stop it.
Yeah, stop it now. Okay.
Wait. Oh.
Can you aim?
Oh, I just have to remove it. Damn, you need
Okay.
some IQ for this thing, eh?
You need to use the action.
All right, go.
thing.
I think.
Hold on, wait.
No, I'm the current. I'm the guy who brings the current
Dude,
together.
you made out of rubber. You're not gonna be able to.
Oh yeah, it's true. Rubber is not a conductor. Oh shit!
Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. We're gonna have to dash it. Okay.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Go. I got it. Go for the next one.
I can't move. I gotta get out. Oh, okay. Once it comes to you. Damn. Oh, okay. Got it.
No.
Sorry. I got it.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I wasn't used to the control yet. Once you get there, I'm gonna have to dash right away.
Oh.
I'm in. There you go. Woo!
Go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Worth some electrocution.
Whee!
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, there. I got it.
Oh wow. I thought it was gonna bring me automatically up there.
You like the game till now? Oh shit! Damn.
You gotta control where you're flying.
Yeah. I realized that after.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
that.
Yo, Johnny, it's actually dope. Woohoo! Let's see if I get. Oh yes. It gets more fun. I'm excited to see.
I'm a ninja.
Woo. Oh, now it's like a platform game.
I know.
It's like a Mario.
Oh.
Lots of variety, yeah.
I like how it's so 3D. It's really good.
Yeah,
Even on a 60 hertz frame, on a 60 hertz screen, it's still really nice.
This looks dangerous.
Just time your jumps.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, I got it. Oh no! Oh crap.
What's dash again? Square?
It's a square. Square's dash.
Okay, good. I'll wait for you.
I'm in. Woohoo. Yeah, a little too much yeet. Wait, what are you doing?
Okay, I have to turn it around. Grab. Yeah, I think you can grab it.
Nope. Nope. Grab what?
Grab those platforms. I think. Grab the flat part. There you go.
The
Grab that flat part.
All right.
Oh, okay. I see.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Oh shit. Oh, whoa.
Wait,
Oh, wait. Why did I jump? My bad.
Okay,
I feel like I was sliding off though. There, I'm on.
Okay.
But I am sliding off.
I know, I'm trying to get you as fast as I can. Make sure you get ready to dash.
Yep.
Okay.
Now, what do I have to do here?
Go to your left. Yeah, all the way there. I think it's gonna turn on the fan.
Oh yeah, there you go. There we go.
We made it over.
Yeah, let's keep moving. We're getting closer.
Oopsies. I messed
Oh
up.
shit! No! Oh
Let's
shit!
keep moving.
Oh, I'm still up.
We're getting
Nice.
closer to the top.
Oh.
I messed you up. I messed you up. Nice, 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 nice.
Okay. I'm gonna do
Okay,
that.
so it's like a. Oh shit! My bad, my bad, my bad. I was just playing around with it.
Nice.
Oh
Wow,
shit!
great.
Okay, I'm not gonna move it. I'm not gonna move it.
Communication would be nice. you know?
Sorry, sorry. I was just playing.
Okay, push it now. Push it now. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's not
Yeah,
good.
again. Okay, I see what you mean. Okay, dash, push.
Yep,
Okay,
got it.
dash, push.
Yep, got it, got it, got it, got it. Okay, now it's your
Let
turn.
me see if I can do that to you. Okay, go. Okay, go. Go.
Woo! There you go.
There you
Nice, Sue.
go. Good.
I guess we're going up here. What the?
Is this a fire hazard?
Yo, this is so cool.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Oh, ninja, ninja.
Uh-huh.
Oh, this is like a inside of a like a PC or something. All these PCBs. Huh.
Okay. I'm thinking.
Oh, so I have to I have to direct.
Oh, you have to push
direct-
it up. Do you have to push it up? Yep, okay, I see. What?
The wind doesn't do anything. But where does this go though? Oh yeah, go in there, go in there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got you, I got you. There you go.
Oh, nice.
It's gonna probably reverse it. There you go.
Sick.
Oh. Why do we have to turn off?
I don't know. Oh.
Okay. Jump, dash. There's a button on the right.
On the right?
Oh no, it's a freaking. Oh, no, we came from there. We came from there.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah, no, 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 no. That's not it. That's not it.
Oh, the seat. No, no, no. Look. Okay.
Oh yeah, here, 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 here. Got it, got it. Oh shit, no.
No, I think.
Uh.
I see what you mean. There we go. Jump
Oh,
across.
nice. Okay.
Right here.
You guys are weird. Why are we weird?
We left. Why we're weird.
I think cause we're doing random shit. It was literally in front of you. I know.
That was a little too much.
Yeah, it's true. Overthinking.
I feel sick.
Oh, whoops. My bad. I just keep pressing random shit. Okay, wait. So how is this gonna? Okay.
Go up. Okay, get ready, get
Yeah,
ready.
yeah,
okay?
yeah, yeah. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you.
2, 1, go. Good. Find Cody. Okay, so no, no, you can't do it, bro. Where are you gonna jump to?
You don't have a thing on you?
No.
Okay.
Hold on. No, 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 no. Okay, hold on.
Oh, it's like
I have
the.
an idea.
Yeah, it's this
Here.
little thing here.
No, right here. I have to push this one.
Ah, okay. There you go. Oh, there's a platform. Got it.
There, hold on.
Yo, this is
Do it again.
so cool. Like the physics aspect. Oh shit. Hold on. I got it. I got
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
I'm in. I'm
Ready?
in.
Good.
They really made this game really well, actually. Jay's Ways. Hype it up. Oh, okay, hold up.
Oh, hold on. Go inside. Okay, wait. What does this do?
What does that do anyway?
No, it brings a platform behind you. You see it? Oh, I see, Greg. Go on.
I have to go on it, and then
Go on
go
it?
on top.
Yep.
Huh! Yeah, I'm in. Oh, and then you have to direct it.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, I see. Okay, got you.
Yeah. Timing. Timing. Timing.
What was that for?
Here, I'll do it.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Shit, Jay's Ways. I might have to refund that for you.
Oh shit.
Nice.
There you go.
I guess I have to move.
No, no, no. You're fine.
Oh yeah, I see you. I see you. Boom. I guess I'm going in here.
Oh, shoot.
Oh snap! I have to direct it too.
No, no, no. I'm good. Oh. Okay, hold on. Oh, there's an apple coming. Oh shit! I thought you were holding it.
Oh shit! Apple. Oh, I have to bring it in. I have to put it in.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. Okay.
Gotcha.
Got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm aiming it.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, cause you missed. I have to carry these things now. I think.
Oh snap!
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Stay there. Yep.
Oh my god! I
Why
missed.
can't I push this?
No, no, suck it again. Suck it again.
I can't suck it.
What?
Oh wait, make sure. Oh, okay.
No, 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 no. You have to suck the apples. Suck the apple.
Hold on. Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah. You have to suck the apple. Cause I'm actually aiming for
No, but
the
look,
the
look what I'm
basket.
doing. Look where it's going.
No, 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 no,
You see
no,
it?
no, no, no. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Cause then you're gonna jump on the platform.
Got you. I think that's enough.
Can you jump on it?
Yep.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, push it forward.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
Yikes. This is dope. Ready, ready. Alright, let's get it.
You destroyed my digestion! And you put me away to rot here!
Oh wow, I'm the engineer. Hey brother. Ah, him.
So, then why did you buy the
McD, that was perfect.
What a snitcher.
You've replaced me with the Turbo X2000! A pretentious French vacuum who can't
Yeah, it fits to the boss.
fly.
Not even suck properly.
It sucks properly.
The best sucker. Wow.
Alright, let's get it.
Okay. So. Oh, how do we do this?
I'm not sure. Oh shit, okay. Just avoid the things. Avoid the fire.
Oh, shoot. Uh-oh.
Oh shit, you have a life thing. Wait, what do I have to do here? No. Oh. Okay, I die from that. Oh shit. Oh. Okay, yeah. We gotta. Ah. Okay, we gotta do something with these. We gotta do something with the
Oh,
top
we
here.
Gotta suck it. Gotta suck it.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, aim it. Aim it.
I'm in.
Aim it at him.
I'm aiming it.
we go.
Okay, we got a few. We got a bit. Oh no! Ah shit.
Oh shit. So you get stunned. Oh.
All right, I'm gonna be ready to aim.
Okay. Ready?
Yep, ready.
Can't suck more.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yeah, oh shit, I forgot there's the wind thing. Oh, what the hell? Oh, what the hell? Oh!
Careful.
Oh!
Dash. Double
Shit,
jump
shit,
dash.
shit, shit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, shit. Yo! Ooh. Yo, this shit's intense. Okay, we're good, we're good. Alright, I'm gonna...
Get ready to aim again?
Yeah, I'm gonna be ready, I'm gonna be ready. Yo, what's up, Xbot? We're at a boss battle.
Go, focus.
Yeah, I'm focused, I'm focusing. It's aiming, it's aiming.
I can't. There you go, good. I can't get this two
Nice. No, it's good, it's good.
others. Oh, fuck.
Holy shit. It's raining garbage.
You do it if you double dash, you get to do some acrobatic stuff.
Oh yeah, I'm like doing flips. Okay,
you ready?
yeah.
Again? Let me know when you're ready to aim. I'll pick it. I'll.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Ready, go. You ain't the strongest vacuum.
Friendship.
Woohoo! Oh shit,
Ooh.
this vacuum sucks. Get it? Oh no!
Oh. Okay, I need you.
I'm
You
back.
ready?
I'm ready. Go.
Shit, bro.
Hell yeah.
Take his arms.
Oh shit, my bad. Coming.
Time to finish this.
Gotta interlock it. Gotta suck his eyes.
Suck his eyes out? Really? Damn, this is some brutal shit.
Kind of.
Press Y, keep pressing Y.
Yeah, pressing it. Oh! It calls It Takes Two, a game for 2 players. Yep. It's so dope, the concept of this game actually.
Yo, grabbing some